This session will enable you to stop teeth grinding, naturally, successfully, and with confidence. It will also help you remove any barriers preventing you from stopping teeth grinding, whether these are conscious or unconscious. And after the session, you will be able to stop grinding your teeth and be relaxed at night in your newfound ability. This program was made with you in mind. It was carefully crafted to help you move deeper into your own self and to begin to shed light on the issues you are facing. This is not meant to be a substitute for counselling or professional help, but rather a companion that is ready to support you whenever you feel you need it. I would like to commend you for taking a step today toward change. You have made a brave choice, and you will be rewarded with greater insight as a result. Please make time in your daily life for reflection and contemplation. If you don't give yourself time and space to grow and mature as an introspective human being, then you are sure to remain in the habits and patterns that have led you toward finding assistance in this hypnosis and NLP session. Let this audio program be a tool in your toolbox, and also collect other tools that will assist you, such as affirmations, positive people around you, healthy eating and living, and stress-reducing exercises like massage, meditation, nature walks, Tai Chi or yoga. You have now decided to take your life back into your own hands. Congratulations! Make sure to listen to this recording in the most comfortable location and position that you can. You may choose to use headphones or just listen in a quiet place. Allow your body to relax and your mind will follow along. You will be entering into a hypnotic or trance-like state. You will remain aware in the deep background of your mind, so there is no need to fear any loss of control, being manipulated, or doing anything that you do not want to do. Be okay with the images and scenery that appear. You experience trance states regularly throughout your day, such as when you daydream or drift in thought. It is simply a natural way for the mind to rest. At the same time, your subconscious mind will attempt to organize itself, clearing out the ideas and thoughts that are no longer beneficial for you and holding on to those images and impressions that you need to keep yourself moving forward in your natural path of progression. Listen to this recording daily for optimum success. If you have limited time, then listen every second day. Doing this for 21 days in a row will help to bring you profound results and will probably change your life forever. Please never listen to this while you are handling machinery or driving a vehicle. Refrain from listening while under the influence of drugs, medications, or alcohol. If you happen to suffer from epilepsy or a psychiatric condition, please consult your physician before proceeding. If you are grinding your teeth, the most likely cause is tension, which you are subconsciously expressing through your jaw. In this program, you will learn, through a deep relaxation process, to re-educate your subconscious so that your jaw and facial muscles will choose to relax rather than clench, even while you sleep. It is only fair that you know, however, that although tension is the most likely and the most common cause of your teeth grinding habit, it is not the only known cause of grinding teeth, whose medical name is bruxism. It is advisable that you check with your dentist or doctor for other possible causes of grinding your teeth also. The relaxation process you will hear in a few minutes is best listened to, if possible, as you are falling asleep at night, so have the recording near your bed if you can arrange this. If playing it would disturb someone else, Then try to play it late in the evening, shortly before retiring, and make it the last thing you do before going to bed. In other words, don't listen to it and then go and watch a late-night movie or start another activity. You want to relax your mind as much as you can, and in turn, your mind will carry those instructions through to your body and your jaw will naturally follow along. Before taking you into deep relaxation, it would be very helpful for you to understand a little about what we could call the relaxation reflex. If you have ever watched a cat prepare to jump or pounce, you will have noticed that the animal coils its body like a spring before making its move. But once it has jumped, the cat instantly relaxes again. Tension and relaxation are a complementary pair of responses. You can't have one without the other. So tension isn't an enemy to be vanquished. Trying to fight tension in this way only results in more tension anyway, because resisting or fighting against anything, of course, simply creates more tension. Allowing tension to be there, however, as a preparation for relaxation is very effective, because then you are relaxed about experiencing some tension. If there was no tension or tone in your muscles, for example, you wouldn't be able to stand up or move. The key is balance, not holding on to one state or the other. Tension followed by relaxation, then a tensing and a relaxing again, like breathing in and breathing out. Just as it would be ridiculous, as well as impossible, to instruct you to only breathe in, so it is impossible for your body to remain only relaxed and never be tense. Okay, now you have your foundation, let's build on it. I wish you a pleasant journey into your inner space, and I know that you will have a far greater calm and understanding once you have finished this session. You must now find a comfortable position. You can choose to sit back comfortably in a chair or on a sofa, in a recliner or on a bed. Once you have adjusted any restrictions in your clothing and settled into your spot, you can begin to accept the idea of letting go. You are ready now to understand just how easy it can be to stop teeth grinding. You can begin to allow yourself the permission to enter into a hypnotic state. In fact, go ahead and tell yourself that you are giving yourself full permission to let go, knowing how great you can feel when you stop teeth grinding. In your mind, or even out loud, tell yourself you are safe and you are eager to travel to the depths of your unconscious mind, to discover the relaxed, confident, assertive you that is inside, with the ability to stop any teeth grinding. It is important that you believe yourself, that you trust yourself. This moment calls for self-love and trust, and your relaxation is beginning to increase already as your eyes begin to softly close. I want you to take a deep, slow breath in. And now release the breath. That's good. Notice the quality of your breath. Does the breath flow into your chest or deeper into your belly? Pay attention to the next few breaths and make sure to follow them right down to your belly. Feel your belly rise on the inhale and fall on the exhale. Be open to the idea that you can stop teeth grinding by changing how you feel inside, just as easily as you can allow your breath to go in and out. As you begin to deepen into this trance, it is necessary that you release any tensions in your body. Starting at your right foot, begin to release any muscles that you are still holding on to. Move up the right leg to the knee, just relaxing. And continue until you're at the hip. Now do the same for the left leg. Starting at your left foot, begin to release any muscles that you are still holding on to. Move up the left leg to the knee. And continue until you're at the left hip, just relaxing. Clear any tension in your hips. Let go of your deepest pelvic muscles. You may be clenching tightly and you don't even know it, so just let go. Continue to feel the rise and fall of your belly, and let the heaviness of your arms and shoulders sink down and melt away. Feel the openness in the palms of your hands. Feel the expansive breath in your chest and abdomen. Open your jaw to stretch it and then release it. Let your eyes sink into your head until they are floating peacefully. Feel the tingling of the hair on your head and the lightness of the air around your face. You are ready now to move deeper inside, to release your inner you, who knows how to stop teeth grinding. I will ask you to open your eyes one more time in a moment, and when you close them again, you will sink into a wonderful floating softness, and you will be ready to take a journey. Okay, open your eyes slightly on your next inhale. Now close them on the exhale and step securely into the most relaxed state of awareness that you can imagine. To help you relax deeper, I will lead you on a journey. Listen to the sound of my voice. Listen. Deep down inside. Of course you are. If you feel yourself drifting away at any time, just focus on the sound and vibration of my voice as they enter into your ears. You are doing so well already. You are beginning to realize how to stop teeth grinding with every breath you take. In order to go even deeper into your trance, It will be necessary for you to visualize scenes in your mind. These scenes will move you into relaxation and away from stress or tension. Begin by seeing a scene of you standing in a room. It can be any room that you wish. Look around the room and get comfortable with your location. When you look at yourself in the room, you notice that there is a key sticking out of your back. This key is for winding you up. You are just like a wind-up toy, so wind the key that will start you moving. Take a deep breath in as you feel the key winding, and as you breathe out, your body will begin to move very rapidly around the room like clockwork. Feel the energy rushing through you as you move around. You feel you have enough energy to do anything you want, and then you notice that the energy is running out and the key is winding down. As your body begins to move slowly and your power runs out, you feel your body completely letting go. When you stop moving, you will be very deep into your trance. Take a breath in as the final movements unwind, and as you breathe out, you stop moving completely. See yourself standing in complete stillness. Feel yourself slipping deeper into your trance. Sit for a moment in the deepness and the stillness of your trance. You're ready now to wind your key once again. So watch as the key turns and feel as the energy stirs inside of you. Take a very full breath in, and when the key is fully wound, you watch yourself move quickly around the room again, but this time the body is rapidly wearing itself out. This time the energy is draining faster. Take a deep breath in again and feel as the key comes to its stopping point. Feel as the last bit of your energy drains. Slip deeper into your trance as the movement completely stops. Again, sit for a moment and enjoy the stillness as you start to develop more ability to stop teeth grinding. One last time, you will feel the key turning in your back. Your body is completely relaxed except for the energy from the key. It is fully wound now, and you begin to move quickly around the room. Take another deep breath in and feel the energy running out. Feel the energy draining rapidly. The key is about to stop turning. The movements will soon cease. As you let out your breath, the movement stops, and you are as deep in your trance as you can be. And I don't know whether you will realize the key to stopping teeth grinding now or later, and it doesn't matter. Now you understand, it is time to talk to your subconscious, and it can take over. And there's nothing you need to do, just listen. Even if you fall asleep while listening, you can trust that your subconscious is hearing and understanding what to do. And relaxation begins with your breathing. That rhythmic process that happens all by itself, day and night. And there is nothing you need to do to breathe in and out, and in And letting that happen is something your subconscious mind understands all by itself. And as you continue to breathe, slowly and rhythmically, so natural, your mind may notice thoughts. And it is so interesting how you can watch those thoughts drift across your mind, like fluffy white clouds on a clear summer's day that float gently across the blue sky and slowly evaporate in the sunshine. And nature knows how to move and be still and move again, just like the babbling of a brook that moves fast and slow, and the wind that can blow, and the same air can be still and calm. Barely a breeze on some days. Such peaceful days. Your mind is part of nature. It has its own nature, and it can think thoughts, and it can let go, like when you sleep, or in a daydream. And you may have discovered that your best energy, all the fun you have, is at those times when you are not noticing your mind. And it is just doing what minds do when you let go and relax and let it do what it does best. And you can imagine a warm sunny day, and you are relaxing by a babbling brook, and there is barely a breeze, and you can hear the birds singing in the trees and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. So pleasant. And notice the colours of the leaves and the blue sky. And everything fits together so perfectly. And you can be aware of so many fascinating things about your body. That it is composed of trillions of cells, all working in harmony. And your heart that beats because it just knows how to do that. And your blood that keeps circulating. And your lungs breathe air in and out. And there's nothing you need to do. You can remind yourself, my body knows how to relax all by itself. And those words can carry more meaning when you just let them be there in your mind. And they will gently sink into your subconscious. And it will easily become your mind's nature to remember. My body knows how to relax all by itself. And the brook keeps babbling, and the breeze is so gentle, and the sun is just perfectly warm on your skin, and you feel so good. And you allow yourself to drift, and you can daydream, floating, flowing, becoming, blending with all of nature. And whenever thoughts come, you can just watch them float away, like those fluffy white clouds. And your body feels so relaxed. Everything is gentle, easy on your mind, because you know you have heard the old wisdom that when you sleep on something, the answers come. And to sleep is to let go, just as you are feeling so dreamy now like that. And the sound of the brook and the breeze, so easy, the sunshine, it's all so perfect, and there is nothing you need to do. And whenever a thought comes, it seems, in this perfect moment, to gently whisper, "My body knows how to relax all by itself. My jaw knows how to relax all by itself." It can be so fascinating how you can move your awareness around, how you can listen to the sound of the breeze in the trees, and you can notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing as it flows naturally in and out. And you can be aware of the warmth of the sunshine, and you can notice that you are perfectly safe. You are alive, and your nature and all things have gone well so far in your life, as you become perfectly aware that so many things take care of themselves. Planets spin in their orbits, and grass grows all by itself, and the brook keeps babbling, and all is well. And the thought occurs to you, "My body knows how to relax all by itself. My jaw knows how to relax all by itself." You know how you can be so pleasantly surprised by so many things, and you can learn to relax while you sleep, and that can be far sooner than you thought, because there is nothing you need to do. It is all just balance and harmony and things going together like the instruments in an orchestra that all combine to make beautiful music. And your nature knows how to combine thought and feelings and relax at all the right moments, just as there are spaces between the notes in a melody, because continuous noise would not be music. And you can remember, "My body knows how to relax all by itself. My jaw knows how to relax all by itself." And you will sleep on that thought. And your subconscious mind knows exactly how to process it and make best use of it. And you can rest easily now, just knowing, "My body knows how to relax all by itself. My jaw knows how to relax all by itself." And as you get ready now to re-enter the present moment, you will be bringing with you the knowledge that you have obtained. You only need to come back into your physical body. And in your physical body, you will be ready and able to stop teeth grinding. See yourself once again in the room with the wind-up key at your back. Wind the key up until it's ready to go. Take a deep breath in and release the key, and feel as power and energy come back into your body. View yourself moving quickly around the room, and this time when the key stops turning, you will come out of your trance. Let the breath out as the key comes to a stop. You're no longer moving. You feel much more awake. So wind the key again and let it go, and feel your body and see your body moving quickly around the room. Feel all of your senses awaken fully. Take a deep breath in, and as the key stops turning, your movement stops. Any last barriers to stopping teeth grinding? Stop. You are almost completely awake as you stand in stillness. You will turn the key one last time. So take another breath in and release the key, and feel your body and see your body moving around the room. Your body is about to come to a stop, and when it does, it will wake you fully from your trance. Take a final deep breath in. The key stops turning and your body stops moving. And allow your eyes to open now. You may choose to rest in the position that you are in. You may choose to drift off to sleep if you wish, or you may choose to rise and move about. You have returned from your journey with the tools and knowledge you need to stop teeth grinding. Know that you have created positive energy and are most definitely headed in the right direction. And know that you have the power to change. You are bound to have great success. Thank you for listening. I know you won't regret it. Please return to this recording daily or as often as you feel necessary. It will continue to support you on an ongoing basis, and repetition will reap rewards.